In this video, we show how to replace riser 2 on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, air shroud, and risers 1 and 3 removed from the system, to remove riser 2, move the blue latch to the unlocked position and then lift up on the riser to remove it. To install riser 2, align and lower into the system, press down to fully seat it, and then slide the blue latch to the locked position. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.